How to log in to Henry Ford employee login. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Henry Ford employee login. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Henry Ford employee login. After you search for that, there you will see different websites available now. And yeah, first you can just head over to this first website, that is One Henry. And if that's not the website that you're wanting to go to, you can simply head over to this option that says current employee for Henry Ford Health. So here you can see now, after you tapped on that One Henry option, you are then on this login page where you can type in your email address and then your password, and then tap on sign in to sign in into your account. And yeah, that's how you can log in into Henry Ford employee. And yeah, again, if you didn't go to the first link and pressed on the third, here you can see current employee option where you'll find login to employee self-service. Tap on that and it should redirect you to this page. Now type in your user ID and then your password, and then tap on sign in to sign in. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.